Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about the graphical representation of Newton's law of equation. You know that there are three laws of the equations, three Newton's law of equation. First is V is equal to U plus AT. Means here we have derived V is equal to U plus AT through the graphical representation. Here OX is the horizontal axis. It represents the time axis. OY, which is a vertical axis, which represents the velocity or speed axis. So when a body travels a body travels from O to A with initial velocity U. After that it is accelerated with acceleration A and reached at point B, where its final velocity is V, where its final velocity is V. Then we draw a perpendicular line from B to C on time axis. Again we draw a perpendicular line AD on BC. Perpendicular line AD on BC. So therefore AD represents the time axis, BD represents here V minus U. So here now we find the value of BC. Now BC is equal to BD plus DC. BD plus DC equation first. In here BC represent the final velocity V. BC represent the final velocity V. The DC is equal to OA represented by initial velocity U. Then we can find here BD is equal to what? We know that in right angle right angle triangle ADB AB is equal to BD by AD. AB represent the acceleration, so acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. So BD, so therefore BD is equal to AB into AC is equal to AB represent here A. AB represent here A. AB is equal to A. AC is equal to AD. AB is equal to BD by AD. Then AB into AD. AB into AD is equal to A into T. So therefore BD is equal to AT. BD is equal to AT. Now putting the value of BD, DC and BC in equation first, then we get here BC is equal to what? V is equal to BD represent the AT plus DC represent the U is equal to U plus AT. So therefore V is equal to U plus AT we derived through the graphically representation. So here we understand it because OC, which AD is parallel to the OC, then OC represent the time axis, then AD also represent the time axis. The OA represent the initial velocity O to A, then DC also represent the initial velocity U, and BC represent the final velocity V, then BD is equal to what? V minus U. We know that V minus U is equal to also AT. So we can find through the right angle triangle ADB in AB is equal to slope of the velocity time graph represent the acceleration due to AB is equal to BD minus BD by AD, and then we can find here AB is equal to BD by AD, then BD is equal to AB into AD, then putting the value of AB represent here the A and AD represent the T, then value of BD is equal to AT. So here putting the value of BC, BD, DC in equation first, then we get here the V is equal to AT plus U is equal to U plus AT, then V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first Newton's law of equation which is derived through the graphically representation of Newton's law of equation.